Okay, we have here a 1983 Ferrari Mondial seat slider, and we have some questions about it. But go ahead and operate it through the range that we already know it works in. You can see the notches here. So it has a range of maybe 6 inches there or so. When that's operated, just go ahead and lock it somewhere in middle place, and then turn it over. On the other side of this seat rail, we also have this, which, now that doesn't ride on bearings, right?
There might be bearings in there.
Okay, well, we haven't
There's definitely a roller, which you can see here.
Oh,
that might be all there is.
Just a roll, okay. But this mechanism moves here without any latching that we're aware of whatsoever. So we have a few questions to ask about this non-latching slider. And then let's go over here real quick to the other one. Now this one we received disassembled, and is probably the other side of this assembly. And we repack it with all of its bearings and what have you. Now there's some now interesting, in addition to the bearings, there are rollers underneath this. Kind of aim the roller up at me. Probably won't be able to see it without light down there, but there are two rollers, and let's show the detents, that allow it to roll between these.
And then there's the cross pin.
The cross pin and a detent, which is, again, about that 6-inch range that we have on the other track. So basically, 6 inches of movement, is that what we're looking for? Because we're able, we see that somebody has put these screws in here.
I put those screws in there.
Oh, you put? Well, we
just
put the
threaded
screws
holes
in
there before. We didn't know what was there.
Yeah, so we didn't know what was in these before, but we put these threaded screws in there, and what they do is they butt against, go ahead forwards, a cross pin in here. Now we have them screwed out enough so that they do not butt against the cross pin there, but certainly, and it's not, and with the screws in here with the spacer on them are shortened, we're not going to lose any bearings. But the total movement on this one then is in excess of the amount of movement on the other rail, unless you include the additional slider. So that's all the information we have for the moment. We will be asking questions. Thank you.